just 2 minutes and 50 seconds, sold out ang ticket! What the fudge? SB19, ang lupit nyo! 86,529 in its first 5 minutes! What the fudge? Ano mga zombie? The first Filipino act to have 100,000 online! What the fudge? First Filipino ever!
Damn! Basta sabihin ng iba, hindi mo kaya. Maniniwala din sila, huwag kang magduda.
Yo, check mga kanok, putok na balita sa inyo. Putok na balita sa akin for today's video mga tol. History na naman ang SB19 na nagawa nila dahil sold out ang mga tickets. So tara, biruin nyo mga tol. Ang ticket na ubos agad, napakadalang mangyari yun. At isa sila sa mga nakita kong gano'n. So tara, panoorin natin itong ginawang P-Pop Kings Make History Again mula kay I'm Pop Rice. Tingnan natin mga tol, and I hope payagan tayo na magawa ng reaction video itong ginawa niyong compilation. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. At ngayon ko palang papanoorin to, tara samahan niyo ako. And don't forget to subscribe kay I'm Pop Rice kasi isa siya sa mga gumagawa ng mga content when it comes sa SB19. Pero ito mga tol, sobrang na-excite ako kung ano tong compilation niya dito. Hindi ko alam kung Pop Rice o Pop Chris, no? Pero panoorin natin.
So, the wait is finally over. SB19 saw the kickoff concert ticket selling has officially started, and as expected, it was nothing short of historic. Earlier today, at 9 a.m., the global fan packages went on sale.
Ito. Global fan packages now available. Ito nga yun, yung meron kang matutulugan na, may pagkain ka pa in 2 days, something like that.
This special package was exclusively for internet.
Tingnan nyo mga tol, 51,990. So, yun yung mga inclusion na magagawa mo. Meron kang tickets inclusions, hotel, accommodation, room type, breakfast, and also free shuttle ka na rin. Mula hotel to Philippine Arena at Philippine Arena hanggang hotel. So, ihahatid ka nila. Sa halagang 51,000 yun ha. Tapos, meron din package B, 44,000. Package C, 34,000. So, ihahatid ka pa rin. Pero, ang nagkakaroon dito ng problema, etong sound check. Ayan, VIP standing with sound check. No? Ibig sabihin, habang nagsa-sound check sila, pwede mo na agad silang makita doon. Diba? Parang gano'n.
National fans and included exclusive merch and accommodations. And get
Meron pa pala yun, meron pa pala. Ayun pa pala, oh. Hotel discount, merchandise, exclusive merchandise. I think yan yung mga mga damit-damit or something like that. Pero alam ko pang ano yun pang mosh pit yun
And guess what? It was completely sold out in just 2 minutes
In just 2 minutes and 50 seconds, sold out ang ticket! What the fudge? SB19, ang lupit nyo!
and 50 seconds. With prices ranging from 34,000 pesos to 51,000 pesos, fans wasted no time securing their chance to
Ano yun? 2 minutes lang, no? Alam mo, ganun katindi yung fanbase ng SB19. Well, ganun talaga. Nakakagulat pa ba yon? Habang ako nasasaksihan ko sa kanila, neto ko lang nakilala ang SB19, pero sa mga bago dyan, 18, shoutout sa inyo. Sa Aurum, shoutout sa inyo. Ngayon ko lang talaga nasaksihan, nitong year lang, January yata yun, or February. Hanggang, lagi na ako nagla-live. Panoorin nyo, may mga live ako about sa SB19. Pero this time, mga tol, gagawa tayo ng uploaded na video with reaction dito sa ginawa niya. And excited nga ako dahil about dyan, sobrang solid na mga 18 when it comes sa pagbili ng ticket. Internationally,
to experience this once-in-a-lifetime event. But that's just the beginning. The P-Pop Kings just made history once again. For the first time ever, a Filipino act has recorded over 100,000 online queues on SM Ticket.
The first Filipino act to have 100,000 online. Diba? On SM Ticket. What the fudge? First Filipino ever!
This means that as soon as the ticket sales opened, more than 100,000 fans were already in line,
What the
hoping to grab their
fudge?
seats for the concert. This kind of demand is something we've never seen before in Philippine music history. Then, at exactly 12 noon, ticket selling for the Philippine Arena kickoff officially started. Within the
Pero
first
ngayon kasi March 16, so alam ko meron pang, remaining tickets will also be available for, sa mga sa outlet, pwede pa, March 16. Okay.
First 5 minutes, the queue already reached 85,000.
Wait. Tickets has reached 86,529 in its first 5 minutes. What the fudge? Ano to, mga zombie? Una-una doon, nakapila na. Pero may napanood akong video na foreigner, yung twins, na ang ticket daw, kapag bibili daw ng mga ticket ng SB19, the day before, 6 p.m. or 7 p.m., nakapila na sila para pagbilihan na, papapasokin ng guard. So, ganun siya. Parang centipede style.
And just 22 minutes after going live, it shot past 100,000. This officially makes SB19 the first Filipino act to ever achieve this kind of milestone.
What the fudge? Sarap sa pakiramdam, no? First Filipino.
To put things into perspective, this level of demand is something usually seen for K-pop or international acts. But now, a homegrown P-pop group is making waves on this scale. This just proves how powerful 18 is and how big SB19
Powerful 18 is. Ito kasi mga tol, no? Powerful 18 is. Ibig sabihin mga tol, sa mga hindi pa nakakaunawa talaga, no? Hindi pa sila na-appreciate. Galing ako doon. Sa mga hindi nakakalam. Galing ako doon. Isa ako sa mga, So, parang gumaganon sa kanila. Pero nung pinapanood sa akin ng mga fan nila na alamin yung buhay, ganda din ang istorya ng bawat isa. Tapos doon ako nagkaroon ng interest na ano bang buhay meron tong mga to. From rag to riches. From rag to P-pop kings. Ganun ang nangyari. Kaya, you better watch. Bisita lang kayo kay Casual Chucks. Marami mga video na pwede nyo mapanood doon na makikilala nyo SB19. Okay?
has become, not just in the Philippines, but worldwide. This just goes to show how much anticipation there is for SB19's concert. With the way things are going, it's highly possible that the entire venue will be sold out in no time.
Hi, we are
SB19,
and we are strong advocates of the anti-scalping ordinance of Quezon City.
Did you know that scalping is a crime?
Ayan, scalping. kaya sinasabi nila itong scalping, mga tol. Yung scalping kasi, as far as I know, ito yung bumibili ng maraming tickets tapos ibinebenta sa iba. So, ang gusto kasi ng SB19, magkaroon lahat sa tamang presyo. So, hanggat maaari, pinipigilan nila yung scalping. Ayan, scalping sa crime pala, no? Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun, ha?
City.
Did you know that scalping is a crime? But what is scalping?
Scalping is the act of selling tickets at the price more expensive.
More expensive. Tickets na binibentang mas mahal. So, ganun nga yung ginagawa ng iba. Bibili sila ng na marami, tas bebenta. Diba? Parang ganun. Kapag ka ganun yung ginagawa, wag mong bilhin.
Than the original price for admission to events. Selling complimentary tickets or tickets received for free for any price is also scalping.
Oh, scalping din pala yun, no?
Even just the attempt to sell tickets exceeding its original price, whether actually sold or not, is already scalping.
Both the seller and the buyer are punishable by law for scalping.
Oh! Seller and buyer, pwedeng magkaroon ng ng punishment, no?
Scalping is punishable by a fine of 5,000 or 1 year imprisonment or both.
Sasabihin ng mga nag-i-scalp, 5,000 lang pala eh. Ay, joke lang
Imprisonment or both.
We make music for you, our fans.
We want to see you in our concerts.
Scalping makes tickets prices higher and more difficult for our fans to watch our concerts.
Scalping benefits only the scalpers, giving business and your hard-earned money to people who take advantage of the real fans.
Ganun kasi mga tol, may mga tao talaga na inaabuso yung mga ganito para kumita sila. So, syempre, sasabihin, kanya-kanyang business yan, ganun. Pero yun nga, mali eh. May nalalabag kang batas. That's why, against sila sa ganun. No? Kasi nga, ang SB19 galing sa hirap to. No? Pero, ang kailangan kasi mangyari, makapanood din yung mga taong gusto makapanood, lalo na yung 18, yung fans nila, na kung saan, sa tamang halaga, hindi, kung kaya nga nilang ililibre na nila eh. Ganun kabait siya mga yan eh. Pero kailangan nilang lagyan ng price when it comes sa mga manager, kung ano mang bagay-bagay doon.
Let us all work together to stop this crime.
Be informed and be vigilant.
Don't be a victim and don't give the scalpers power to commit the crime.
Yan.
Reminder, buy your tickets from authorized ticket sellers
Yan, yun nga lang di ba? Authorized ticket sellers, doon ka bibili.
to ensure the legitimacy of your transaction.
If you find scalpers in action, do not hesitate to report them right away by calling the TicketNet hotline 8911-5555.
Patay na kayo mga scalpers. May contact number na
And the QCPD Station 7 hotline 841-11-1612.
Don't be a scalper. Don't be a victim of scalping. No to scalping.
Scalping is scamming.
Nice one! First things first mga tol, napakabait talaga ng SB19. Pag nakilala niyo yung mga yan, when it comes sa mga kanya-kanya nilang pangarap sa buhay. Pero this time kasi mga tol, gusto nila matulungan ng mga 18 na makapanood sa tamang presyo talaga. Okay? Ginawa naman nila yung best nila, makabili lahat, kaso nga lang, ang bilis talaga. 2 minutes and 50 seconds, yung isa naman 7 hours, yung isa naman wala pang ilang oras, ganyan na. 100,000! What the fudge, man? What? Once again, mga tol, maraming salamat. Congratulations sa lahat. Sa 18, sa SB19, and syempre sa Our Room. Yan, mga OG yan, mga tol. So maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Especially sa mga berry, CCU, hotdog, mais, and BBQ. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. And I hope kita-kits tayo dyan. Excited na kayo, alam ko. My name is Tok Tok Papatok. Take care, kuswiger, kapayapaan. Peace!